In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bybit to TradingView so you can trade directly from your chart without switching tabs. This connection makes your trading faster and more efficient. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account. Signing in ensures that all your settings, charts, and broker connections are saved to your personal dashboard. Next, head to the top navigation bar and click on Products. This will expand a menu that gives you access to all the tools and features TradingView offers. Then, select Supercharts from the drop-down. This launches a full-featured charting interface where you can track market data, add indicators, and manage trades. Once the chart loads, scroll down to the bottom panel and click on Trading Panel. Then click All Brokers to see the list of supported platforms that integrate with TradingView. From the broker list, find Bybit and click on it. This will bring up the option to connect your TradingView to your Bybit account. Now click the Connect button. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to log into your Bybit account. Just enter your credentials, approve the connection, and you're all set to start trading directly from your chart. And that's how you connect Bybit to TradingView. Now you can analyze charts and execute trades all in one place. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple and clear walkthroughs. See you next time!